Alrighty, got the part for the U-joint or drive line. And put that on right now. I'm just going to lift the axle up to be able to spin the axle. That part it's going to screw into. So it looks a little bit different, but all the measurements are the same. So hopefully it works. All lines up. Ball joint press, that's what this is called. I don't know why I said harmonic balancer puller. Doesn't even look like one. go throw it in there. I'm gonna go and get my jack and everything underneath it first. Oh, did it get dried out? That's a brand new one. Probably need to put it in neutral. Spin it. Nice. Do a little test drive. Everything works good. Good to go. Let's put all this shit away and go pick up the compressor part. Alright, I'm gonna go and pick up that part for the air compressor. Alright, I'm hooking up a plug for it. I don't know if I should run all these wires out and do it on the end. Yeah, I don't know. We want to make sure it's going to work right, and then we'll probably hardwire it back in the breaker how it was. I think that's a smarter way to do it anyway. Have it hooked up to the breaker. That way you could kill the power pretty simply. Instead of unplugging and plugging it in, you just flip the breaker. Okay. Trying to round those out so it kind of hooks to the screw in a way. Was it that much of a gap, really? That's all. Everything should be ready to go. Just need to bring it over there somehow. I don't know what we're gonna do about that. Because the plug's on the other end. Unless they have one over here. I'm gonna go and look at that plug. Yeah, so it plugs in to here. And this is like the extension cord. Goes over to this bay. I guess it is pretty long. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it to reach. But we'll try. I mean, the wire on that's pretty long too. I don't think it's gonna reach. Yeah, that's about it. All I got right there. I don't know, I can move some of this stuff and scoot it through here maybe. Oops, don't want to do that. Okay. It's not gonna be fun. Hopefully I don't blow something up. I got it wired in good. What just dropped? Dang it. Oh, this thing? What the heck? I think it's easier to push it. Run better?
Yeah, right. I told Dustin, I know the store is hard to open, but be careful. Over the years, I've had a lot of people going to garage stores when they're not all the way up. You go back into them.
Oh, you want me to push it all the way up?
No, you can't. It's really hard to do that. This store's all right, but the other ones, make sure you open them all the way.
Okay.
Because you may be working and somebody else driving the fucking door. So what do you do? What do you put the switch on?
I put the switch on already, and then I ran that wire over here. I'm trying to move the air compressor close to it and then plug it in and try it out.
You need something to pick up the air compressor then?
Well, I mean, last time we tried to pick it up, the forks weren't enough. I would have to bring it all the way to the other bay with the skid steer.
Well,
which
you can use the loader as well. The loader's connected.
I could use the skid steer. I guess.
Are those other guys here?
Yeah, his cousin just drove over here.
What's he doing?
I don't know. I just got to move it 10 feet or so. The connection went most of the way. It's like in front of the truck right now, the plug. So I just got to reach that to it and plug it in.
Okay.
Figured do that before move it over.
He's talking about putting it in that van.
Yeah. No, I just wanted to see if it works. We don't even know. We've never got it to work yet. We don't know if it's broken or.
Well, I gotta take my wife to dinner, otherwise I'll move it for you.
Yeah, there you go. Should work. It's a new sound. It's never done that. I don't know. It's still not working. So there's this thing. I'll plug in real quick and see what happens, I guess. I don't know if it's why it's not kicking on. Could be. Okay, that did something. What did this go to? So is the engine seized or something? Well, I'm gonna go and call my boss, see when he's gonna be here. He's almost here, but I wonder if this has to do something with it. It's turned all the way up. It says it's off. I don't know if it's this thing. Well, I'm actually gonna try to get this exhaust off while I have some time. Pretty sure I just need 2 people to do it because it keeps moving around too much. I could just try to yank on the top part. I don't know. He hasn't seen this shit yet. He'll probably be a little upset that I have to tear all this stuff off. But we'll make it work. I'll just clean the rest. The only thing is, if I unhook it from that, then this tall part out here will fall over. Which I don't really want to happen. I guess it's not going to hurt too much stuff, but yeah, I did this the other day, and I tried this with 2 people when we were getting the generator out. We're trying to do this too.
Oh, did you redo that?
No. That's how it was when we got it. Same way.
That might
You
be
don't have
wrong.
time. You don't have time to do it anyway.
That might not be right. That.
Well, I don't know what else you do.
Have time to do what? Huh? Yeah, I don't.
I don't know. It'd blow a fuse, wouldn't it?
Quit turning it on.
I just switched the wires.
Oh. All right, well, I'm going to help him with this compressor. I'll call you later.
What's that?
Okay.
No, it ain't doing nothing.
I know. I'm pretty sure it was right. Try it. Whoa, don't do anything. Okay.
So
And there's wiring in here too.
is it off?
Yeah.
What was in here?
Well, we think we found the problem. Maybe on this side. Yeah, it's blown up bad. Look at that. The fuck is that?
It melted. Don't unplug it because we don't know what wires to wear, or take a picture of that. Michael, what is this thing? Some kind of little fucking thing that's exploded. Huh? It's exploded.
All right. So, got the exhaust out of there. Worked out. Having two people made it a little bit easier. Mainly just needed somebody to hold it on the bottom. Probably should have tried to do that before I took it off, but I forgot we're having such a problem with getting that top part out. And then got it underneath here. Kind of figured out where it'd generally be. It's not set up where it needs to be yet. There's plenty of room in here though. Just, figure it out later. Probably have it go up to right there, cut a hole so it could go up there. Right now, got this lined up kind of where I think it would be. Nothing's really bending. Seems to go right there pretty good. I just needed to get a hole saw, one that could cut metal. It's only aluminum, so it shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, I want to get this lined up first, then we could figure out where to put that bottom piece. Make a lot more sense doing it like that. Gonna get a new air filter. And yeah, just trying to get this set up. Usually I am working on their company vans and stuff like that, but he wants to get this set up before winter time, or even, before it gets cold. And he needs to do, the guy that owns the shop's house wants to get it done. But yeah, not too much more for this part at least. And then need to figure out the rest. On the air compressor, I don't know if I still have the part or if I gave it to him. There's like a bad capacitor blown up. So that was part of the problem. This is now clicking. It's never clicked like that before. So whatever, that part I replaced, this part, I replaced this whole thing. That was bad too. Oh, I don't know about having it there. Hopefully somebody doesn't come in and mess us up. I'll put these in there. Oh, here's the capacitor right here. Yeah, it's blown up, see? Oh, I shouldn't have put it in there all the way. Well, anyway, I mean, you get the idea. Blown up. No good. You can even see the smoke from it. So we got another one of those coming in the mail, and then we'll figure out this air compressor. Hopefully that's the problem. Might as well take this. But yeah, I'm gonna go and get the hole saw and probably head home, because it's getting about that time anyway. No need to run to the parts store, which is a little bit away from here, and then run back. Might as well just go call it for the day, come back tomorrow, finish it up. But alright guys, I'll catch you on the next video.